shit is torquey though, I'm not gonna lie.
I want this thing. This thing is dangerous.
Now they say they wanna ride for me. Now they say they wanna fight for me.
End up flying off the freeway.
Bucket, right?
Bucket, buy a new one, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a mini 636. I'd love to see you try it out.
Try it, Jay. Try it, Jay.
Please, right here, it's all you. Yes, it wheelies. Very much so. All right, it's already on. It's no gears, no foot brake, handbrakes.
Does it have a handbrake?
Yeah, they're both handbrakes.
Fun, huh? Look at him!
Look how smooth.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
I want this thing. This thing is dangerous.
It's deceivingly powerful, huh?
Never in my life rode a bike like an electric bike that was, dude, that thing is fucking.
Hey, I want to get you on the bigger one over there.
You have a big one too?
No, the red one, right?
That thing is like scary fucking powerful.
Right?
Like
Yeah.
You don't expect it to be that powerful.
Yeah.
You built that?
Yeah, well, so not the frame, right? So I bought the frame, and then the whole powertrain's all me, and I'll actually be I'll be like selling a kit. You can buy the kit and buy the frame and build it yourself.
There's no front suspension though.
No, I've got a dude making me a custom front fork, so it'll be cushy soon enough.
Cool.
Also getting hydraulic brakes. These are the stock brakes.
It's a tiny bit too small, but that would probably be better. I'm impressed. Good job, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the feedback. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. I'll show you some wheelies, then I'll let you try it. So this one's like the grandfather. This is like 4 times as powerful as that, and really not that much heavier. This one's also like custom made, fully upgraded powertrain. Rear brake's the left again. And this one I've got it on mode 5. It'll go up to 9. Okay. And 9 is half the full power. So
what's the, I don't want full power.
No. Right, this is what I always ride at, but it can go like 4 times as powerful. Wow. turn it up a little bit?
No, not right now. I don't want to push my luck.
Yeah, right? Hey, you're obviously a very talented rider, man. I love watching you ride these.
Well, I can ride. I used to be able to ride bicycles really good, so it kind of makes me a bicycle with power, you know? I always wanted a badass electric bike, but they're just so expensive.
Yeah, that's the thing. So right now,
Yeah, I'd like to fucking hit like a ramp with this, like a quarter pipe or half pipe.
I mean, these are made for off-roading. They come with dirt tires, so really they're great off-road, hitting jumps and all that. That's what they're made for. Yeah. Pleasure, man.
Say what's up, that's tight.
Thank you so much. You want to try it?
No. Hey, buddy!
Let me know, dude. I'd love to see you on it. Somebody else was already wheeling it today.
Pretty gnarly, man. You hit dirt with that?
Yeah, that's what they're really made for. I just put street wheels on it to wheelie, yeah. Yes!
What the hell? Oh, she gonna bite you.
Alright, it's all you.
You ride dirt bikes too?
No, this is the closest I get to it.
For real?
Yeah.
You think you can do like all your shit on a dirt bike?
I'm sure I could.
Nah, I'm definitely you.
Oh, yeah?
When I'm looking at you,
Thanks, dude.
yeah. Handbrake right here?
So, that's the rear brake, front brake, throttle, no gears, no foot brake. Just go easy on the throttle, right? It'll kick.
It'll kick.
It's all torque.
It'll kick for sure.
Yeah, let's see. You like that?
I rode a Segway one. That's why I said, like, is it the same thing?
So it's a Segway, right? But the whole powertrain's upgraded. Be easy on the throttle. It's all torque. Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely a bicycle, bro.
Well, wait until you hit the throttle, and then you.
How fast is it go?
80.
80?
Not in the mode I have you now, but it'll go 80. Yeah.
Goes 80 miles an hour?
Yeah.
This motherfucker is fast as hell. like that it can pull from any gear, any speed.
Yeah, and what's crazy, so you're in mode 7, right? It goes up to mode 9, and mode 9 is only half its full power. So that's like literally
like the lowest power.
you're less than half full power. Yeah. Electric's the future, bro. I'm telling you, it's like stupid strong. It's just expensive. Is the battery is the one thing. The batteries are expensive.
What's your name, man?
Sur Ron here. Check me out on Instagram and YouTube.
Is this the only bike you have, or you got more?
No, I got the mini one right here that Bentley's on. This one goes 50 miles an hour. Don't sleep on this one.
One too?
Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Oh my god! You're this guy. I knew you were that guy. I saw your bike. I was like, that's definitely him. Yes.
Yeah, you already know. You met.
Let's fucking go, bro.
How you spell your name, bro?
SURRONSTER. You know what I see is you getting one of these with your wrap on it.
That's what I was gonna do. That's what I was telling him. I was gonna start going to the electric shit.
Bro.
All my shit again.
Watch out, it's on. So go easy on the throttle, all right? Yeah.
Go slow, then you gonna see, nigga. Are any of those the rear brake?
Yeah, that's the rear brake.
I was trying to figure out which one I didn't know, because I was trying to use it by yourself too. Like
It has some engine braking, yeah.
And when you pop it up and you let it go, you can feel the engine, bro. That's what it's so smooth. Like I didn't even get up there, bro. I just.
But that shit is torquey though, I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I hit, I was like, oh!
And again, that's really not all the power there is. There's a lot more.
Full power.
No.
We're on
I didn't even hit the throttle.
I didn't care to do that.
I didn't care to go fast.
I didn't care to go fast. I was like, man, I just want to feel this shit going.
Yes. But you can't really replace that, you know, so. On the MinE-Moto now.